Hi, thanks for tuning in to the TitleSnap app tutorial. We're going to show you how to download the TitleSnap app, type in your information, we'll review the different types of calculators, and then we'll demo a seller's net sheet and a buyer's fee sheet. First, you're going to need to download the TitleSnap app from either your Google Play Store or your iTunes Store. Once you've got that downloaded, go ahead and click the icon, and you'll choose your title company. As you can see, we are a nationwide company. These are all of our options. Go ahead and choose Sunbelt Title Agency. From here, click your information, and this is where you can type in your information. This top screen is how you can add your picture, and then type in your name. I'm Bailey Canales, and I'm with Sunbelt Title Agency. Type in your phone number. I would suggest doing your phone number and not the office phone number, as well as your personal email instead of a general email box. You'll see that the commission auto-populates to 3% and 3%. This is pretty standard. If you do need to change that, there is an option on the next screen. And you'll see another box that says other flat commission. If your brokerage charges a flat commission, that's where you can add that in as well. You see this little toggle, do you want to CC yourself on all emails? I choose yes, and go ahead and hit done. From here, the screen will take you to the calculator screen. That information that you just typed in, you only have to do that once, and then it auto-populates. So as you can see, these are the different calculators available to you. There's additional ones on the next screen. Most likely you'll be using the net seller sheet and the buyer fee sheet. So for now, we'll go ahead and click the net seller sheet. This will give your client an estimation of what they'd be profiting from the sale of their property. You'll see that the state auto-populates to Florida. The county, we'll go ahead and choose Brevard. We're in Brevard County. City, you'll see not every city in Brevard is in here, so if you are working on a city that's not on this option list, you can always choose all others. For now, we'll just choose Melbourne. Transaction type, either loan or cash. Whether it's loan or cash does not affect the seller's fees, so for now, we'll just choose loan. We'll do a sales price of $300,000. You'll notice I didn't use any commas. Please don't use any commas, but you may use decimal points. Estimated closing date, I'll go ahead and estimate that out for 30 days, so I'll just choose October. That's important because this app is great and it prorates your taxes for you. Annual property taxes, we'll estimate those at $3,000. Again, no commas. And this is where I said that the commission will auto-populate from the previous screen, and you can change that if you need to as well. For now, maybe we'll put 2.5 and 3. For a total commission of 5.5. Now you can either calculate it from here or input additional information. We'll go ahead and click additional information. Other flat commission, again, if you were with a brokerage that charges a flat commission, you can enter that in here, or you can delete it if you get it waived and you had it on the previous screen. First loan balance, if you know an estimation of what your client's mortgage balance is, that's what you can put right here. For now, we'll put $100,000. Other loans or liens, perhaps they have a second mortgage or a HELOC, you could put that here. For now, we'll just leave that blank. Lien search, that's a search through the municipalities, through the county and the cities to see if there's any open water balances or permits, things of that nature. I'll go ahead and estimate that at $100. HOA estoppel fee. If the home is in an association, whether it's condo or homeowners, you can go ahead and estimate what that fee would be here. I do know for a standard order, it's $250 is the max that they can charge, so we'll just put $250 for now. Other fees and credits. These two boxes are great. I love working with these if the seller is providing any kind of concessions or credit or perhaps a home warranty. Anything of that nature you can go ahead and put in here. So for now, we'll say that they're doing a home warranty of $300. And then this little pencil here, you can actually change what the name of it is too. So we'll type in home warranty, so we know what that is. Great. And then the property address for a demo, we'll just say 123 Main Street. Done. done one more time, and calculate. This will bring you to the net sheet. So it says right here, easy to read, estimated net seller proceeds at $176,343.22. If we scroll down, we can read, state says Florida, Melbourne. We auto-populated all of that sales price, estimated closing, commissions are all on there. Title closing costs, you can hit this little arrow and see what that would be. Title search, owner's title insurance, promulgated through the state. Third-party fees, that's going to be our doc stamps. Selling costs, that's important for you as a realtor to look at since that's your commission. Taxes, as I said, it prorates them according to that closing date. And total estimated closing costs right there. And additional selling costs, we'll go ahead and click that. You'll see the first loan balance for that mortgage we estimated at $100,000. Lien search of $100, HOA estoppel fee at $250, and home warranty at $300. For a total additional selling cost $100,650, and that makes our estimated seller net proceeds of $176,343.22. So from here you can either email the results, save your quote, or clear it all. For now I'll show you how to email the results, so go ahead and click that. You can hit this little guy up here and it will take you to your address book, or you can just type it in. For now I'm going to send it to myself at bailey.canales@sunbelttitle.com. Subject, courtesy of Bailey Canales. I'm going to write net sheet 123 Maine, and then net sheet 123 Maine. You'll see anything with a little red asterisk on it, you need to fill in that field. So once you're done with this, return and email results, and that should get into your email fairly quickly. I would say that if it doesn't get in there within 5 minutes, to go ahead and check your spam or junk, make sure that didn't go there, and success, your email has been sent. Great. So that was for a seller. Let's try a buyer, title premium and fees. We'll go ahead and click that. You'll see again, the state will come in at Florida, county, we'll choose Brevard. City, Melbourne. Transaction type, loan or cash. For the purposes of this one, we'll just say that it's a loan. Sales price again, $300,000, no commas. And loan amount, we'll say they're getting a $200,000 loan. Again, you can either additional information it or calculate. For now, we'll just hit calculate, and that'll take us to our next screen. You'll see that the fees would be $2,340. And again, we can kind of scroll down and see how that breakdown looks. Title closing costs, it's going to have the lender's insurance policy and closing fees. Government fees, again, it's going to be the mortgage taxes, the intangible taxes, and doc stamps on the mortgage, for a total of $2,340. Again, you can either email your results, save your quote, or clear it all. We'll email again. And like I said, if you hit that little button up in the corner, you can access your address book, or you can just send it to yourself or your client. And if you do the spacer like that, you can send it to multiple people at a time. For now, we'll just send it to myself. And we'll say buyer fee sheet. For 123 May. And email results right here. And again, it should populate into your email here shortly. And that's how you can calculate your seller closing cost, your buyer closing cost, and a snap, all with our Title Snap app.
Thank you for tuning in to learn more about our free app, Title Snap. I'm Bailey Canales, your title resource with Sunbelt Title Agency. Thank you.